Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to change faces in Picsart. Changing faces in Picsart is a popular editing technique that can be quite fun and creative. So you know how to do that. First of all, open up your Picsart application. Tap on the See All Plus button at the top left and select a face image you want to swap in. After you select an image, go ahead and get to the bottom menu and tap on Add Photo and select another photo from where you want to cut off the face and put it in the previous photo. As you have two photos on the display, I'm going to use this photo at the top as the new face. While selecting the image, go ahead and get to the bottom menu and tap on Cut Out. Now click on Face from the menu and the face area will now be selected. If there is any mistakes in the selection, you can fine-tune the selection by tapping on Erase and erasing the part that you don't want to include on the photo. After you are done with it, click on Save at the top right and you will then be able to cut out the face from the photo. Adjust the size and position of the cut out face to fit the original image's face shape. Drag the corner or the edges of the photo and then place it on the image. With the help of the handles, carefully, make sure that the new face overlaps the previous one. And then, go to the bottom menu and tap on Blend. Use the Blend tool to seamlessly integrate the new face into the original image. You can use the tools provided at the bottom or simply keep it normal. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on Apply at the top right. Now go back to the bottom menu and select Retouch. Select the Smoothen effect from the menu and smoothen out the area on your added image. Increase or decrease the intensity of smoothness. If you want to manually smoothen the area, tap on Manual at the bottom. Select the brush size by dragging the white dot and then brush around the face area that you want to smoothen out or blend in. If you make any kind of a mistake, you can use the eraser tool to fix it. Once you are done, click on the Apply button at the top right once again and save your changes by tapping on Next at the top right. And then, if you want to save the image onto your device's camera roll, tap on Save at the bottom. If you want to share it on other social media platforms, tap on Post and follow the instructions. And that's how you will be able to change face in Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.